Welcome back to Contract Questions from Clients. And Courtney again is joining us today. And Courtney, today this is a question that every once in a while pops up, and it's a fair question. How can I make sure that the other party follows the contract?
Yeah, oh man. So there's an adage that a contract is only as good as the parties who agree to follow it. So I think that's my number one piece of advice is deal with the right person and someone you trust. Outside of that, there are some other tips to ensure that the parties will follow the terms of the agreement, or at least try. Some of these may sound familiar to why you may want to put a contract in writing in the first place. But one of them is get it in writing. Keep it simple so that neither party is confused. Spell out all the details so there are no surprises. So parties generally are more likely to adhere to a contract that they understand and agree to. You may also want to agree on a way to resolve disputes so you get ahead of any disagreements you may have, so there's no mystery there, as well as agree on how to terminate the contract. Sometimes relationships just aren't meant to be to last forever, and so you want a smooth transition out of the agreement. So at the end of the day, you can't force a party to follow the contract, but a good written contract that both parties understand and agree to can help keep things from going off the rails. And you can have peace of mind knowing that you've safeguarded the business and positioned yourself to have a good standing to enforce the agreement if it comes to that.
That's awesome. That's a great answer. And Michael, do you have any additional knowledge to drop today?
Yeah, I mean, we get this question. Usually the people that ask have a strong desire for control over the circumstances. But I will go back to something I learned in my first year of law school, and despite the fact that was 28 years ago, it does hold true that breaking a contract is not illegal. It's not against the law. There are consequences if you choose to break it. And so you can't send someone to jail if they don't follow the terms that you agreed on, kind of tagging on to what Courtney was saying. But there are consequences. And so we talk about choices and consequences when people are not abiding by the contract. Kind of like parenting.
Well said. Courtney, thanks again for joining us.
Yeah, of course. Happy to help.
And we'll see you next time.